Well, the old saying is, it's not stupid if it works. And I figured out how to make it work. So not only am I running a drop down, but I even used a rubber bracelet in polio now. Go out there and get your vaccines, people. But I'm using the bracelet as some added wobbling, anti-wobbling. So still wobbles a little bit. Well, I get a little bit, not gonna lie. But it's tucked in there pretty tight. It clears the camera, so I can still see out the back of it. And oh, we are getting some scrapage. Oh. So still need to drop it all the way down, and just barely clears. It's definitely not going to clear with a bike on the back, but I'll be able to open it somewhat, you know, so at least there. So maybe there, so I can still get in the back. And yeah, so this is a curt 4-inch drop down. It's got adjustable. It's got like 3 holes in it. I'm actually using the closest hole, so I'm tucking it in as far as it'll go. I could actually extend it out 2 more inches maybe. I didn't measure it exactly, but it does have 2 more holes, and I'm on the furthest hole that I can get into. So I could go back a little bit further, maybe give me a little bit more space, but I wanted to have it as close to the Jeep as possible for parking, and you know, just to kind of keep it out of the way. It's a nice rack. I'm not exactly trying to have somebody run into the back of me or hit it in the parking lot. So so yeah, this is my setup.